How long have you not loved yourself well? When we encounter difficulties and challenges, we always blame ourselves and constantly fall into self-blame and anxiety. However, true self-love is the only way to break these shackles. Find the power of self-love and get peace from it. Buddha once asked his disciple, "How do you deal with other people's accusations?" The disciple replied, "I feel pain, because my heart is not strong yet." Buddha smiled and said, "When we learn to love ourselves, the evaluation of the outside world cannot shake our hearts. Only when we truly understand and accept ourselves, external criticism and challenges will not make us lost." Loving yourself is a kind of deep perception of inner self. Each of us has infinite potential and kindness, but in reality, we often ignore ourselves and pay too much attention to external evaluation. Learning to love yourself is to learn to let go of the expectations of the outside world and listen to your inner needs. When you give yourself enough care and love, you can begin to truly accept yourself, so as to find inner peace. This kind of love is not self-centered, but a deep understanding of the value of self-existence. It guides us to be more calm and firm in the face of difficulties. Self-love is inseparable from inner peace. When we learn to love ourselves, we no longer rely on the outside world to affirm our value. On the contrary, our hearts will naturally produce a stable light, which can illuminate every decision we make and help us get out of the dark trough. The wisdom of Buddhism tells us that love and compassion are an inner practice that allows us to get out of the cage of self-criticism and find our freedom. By loving ourselves, we can not only heal our own wounds, but also become the light in other people's lives. Pain comes from our pursuit of perfection. However, there is no perfection in the world, and even the most beautiful flowers have withering moments. The first step of self-love is to learn to embrace your own imperfections. When we accept everything about ourselves, including past mistakes and shortcomings, we can feel inner peace. This kind of acceptance can make us no longer afraid of failure in the face of challenges, because we know that no matter what the result is, we deserve to be loved. Dark moments often make us feel lonely, but we should remember that the light in our hearts always exists. When you learn to illuminate your heart with love, the external darkness can no longer control you. Self-love is not a momentary feeling, but a continuous practice, which can help you stay stable in the storms of life. Whenever you feel lost, remember to go back to the depths of your heart and find the light and power that belongs to you. Self-love is a continuous practice. By loving ourselves, we can find true inner peace. The power brought by this kind of love will guide us through the darkness and towards the light. May everyone whose hearts are hurt find the power of self-love and gain peace and happiness on this road.